Welcome back, everybody. Garage RC here. It's been raining in New York for 3 days and I haven't been able to fly planes, but I have something special today. I got a 1/16 scale Henglong German Panther tank. I think it's a German Panther. I was looking for my receipt. I can't find it. Back when I got this, I paid just over $300. I think they're a little cheaper now. These are 1/16 scale battle tanks, and the reason they're battle tanks is that they actually shoot real airsoft BBs, which is super cool. You get, a couple of these with your friends. They have these control units so they don't interfere with each other. You guys could battle it out. They are pretty sturdy. Suspension is top notch on these things. Real metal tracks. They are brush motors, twin brush motors, front wheel drive. And on top of all of that, the smokestacks actually put out smoke. You have to add smoke fluid to it, and it's pretty cool, man. Now let me show you guys some basic function of this tank. So I got the remote here. It looks like a basic 4-channel remote, but it has a couple extra features. So the right stick right here is what controls the operation of the tank. So you got forward, you got backwards, you want to turn left, you want to turn right, you want to go forward while turning right. You kind of just pitch it on an angle here. This one is for the turret. So that right there, left, right, up, down, and then when you want to shoot the BBs, you have a machine gun sound here. You push that one and it fires an airsoft BB. Then down here we have some stuff like you could control the volume that the tank makes. You have you can shut the smoke system on and off, and this is how you start it. So I'm going to start it for you guys. Oh, might help if the remote is actually on. So we're going to turn that on. Then we're going to start it. You hear the smoke generators kick on. It might take a minute to warm up. But yeah, man, so your basic functions. But as I said, it's been raining in New York for about 3 days now, and the reason I broke this thing out is I think it'll be fun to bring this thing in the woods, get it a little muddy, and see what it could really do. So let's get to the woods. I'm beating this thing up right now, man. I can't find nothing to stop it. The tank cannot be stopped. It just powers through everything. I'm running over bushes and look at this. While we're here, let's get a little FPV action. And of course, guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. Fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards your prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient.
If you guys asked me my opinion on these when I first got it, I probably would have said no, but after using it in here and seeing how capable it is, I'm definitely going to be buying more, probably every style there is, because these things are amazing. So my honest review, 10 out of 10. I would definitely get another tank. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Until next time.